Let's have a look what updates Sycope 2.6 brings. Multitenancy, a functionality that allows for the service of multiple entities and/or independent IT networks from a single central console. The module is intended for entities providing Network Operations Center or Security Operations Center services. For example, telecommunications companies, the so-called shared service centers, and IT integrators. The devices operate in two modes, Master Console and Tenant. The Master Console gathers information from the tenants, such as device status, notifications, and alerts, and displays the information in a view specially prepared for this purpose. Each tenant has its own dedicated dashboard showing how the selected device works, what alerts it reports, etc. From the Master Console level, we can also easily switch to the GUI of the tenant and generate automatic, periodical reports in a PDF file to send to companies where the tenant is located. IT Asset Discovery, a functionality that allows for the utilization of the NetFlow protocol for monitoring existing resources in the network and recording traffic between specified subnets, hosts, or specific applications in both technical and business contexts. The module allows for operation on large, wide networks to monitor and report discrepancies between reality and what is stated in the documentation of the network, systems, services, or applications. Thanks to the application of AI, the module also allows for automatic clustering of network objects, aiming to quickly identify the type of hosts found in large networks. This means identifying object groups about which little is known based on passive analysis of network traffic characteristics. This way, the system will help identify objects such as workstations, servers, printers, card readers, OT and IoT systems, and so on. Quick Setup, a functionality enabling quick configuration of the product and adjusting its settings to the client's specifications. Completing basic lookups, enabling appropriate rules, setting appropriate data retention. Quick Analysis, an easy-to-use view allowing for quick analysis of ad hoc data without the necessity to create widgets or dashboards. Sycope prioritizes enhancing user experience, and the new release reflects this commitment with the following features. Widget personalization. Users can adjust the way of displaying the data, e.g. change the sorting or limiting of the data, change the location of the legend or graph axis description according to their preferences. New side menu. A separate part of the menu used for configuration, adjustment of the system, and administrative actions has been moved to the right side and hidden in the cog icon in the upper menu. Context drill downs, an ability to pin widgets, dashboards, as well as references to external links to specified types of data fields to simplify and shorten the information analysis time presented in the GUI. For example, by clicking on the IP address in any given view in the system, we can quickly display a table in a modal window showing what alerts are related to such an address, or a graph showing the used services as well as what hosts were connected to that address. Bookmarks. This feature provides the ability to define shortcuts to the most frequently visited elements of the system or analytical views for quick access. New data visualization capabilities in graphs. For example, drawing of a graph on a map with positioning of points based on geolocation, including private subnets. Capability of displaying multiple metrics on the edges of the graph. Reports. Simplified possibility of defining new periodic reports and the ability to generate ad hoc reports, exporting the dashboard to a PDF file, all done in one place. Grouping of objects. Components such as tags, filters, and bookmarks can now be grouped for better management. More information about Sycope's features can be found in the release notes or on our website, www.sycope.com.